All other towers and the mountain had to be constructed by transporting workers and new materials to the various sites by helicopter. For the original tramway, the helicopters flew some 23,000 flights without mishap, carrying a total of 1,200,000 pounds of material through this rugged canyon. For the new rotating tram cars, the improvements included new cable drive system and the removal of 1,000 cubic yards of rock. We'll see survey lines along the rock face during the trip that indicate where rock removal is required. The new cabins are the first in the Western Hemisphere to rotate 360 degrees to travel and are the largest in the world. We're now high over Chino Canyon, once the summer home of the Agua Caliente band of Louis Indians. Since there are many streams flow year-round, the canyon has an abundance of wild grape. Many waterfalls.